A couple of months ago, I went on a trip to Sedona, Arizona, where I met several other YouTubers and other photographer types. I was inspired by every single person there. However, one of those people shared some of his work in astrophotography, and I was absolutely blown away. And that is Jose Francisco Salgado. His work is internationally recognized. He's an astronomer. He creates incredible videos that accompany orchestra performances. He does experimental photography. He writes for publications like DP Review. I could go on about his art and his passion for education, but let's get to the point here. Jose Francisco offers Aurora Borealis science and photography tours in Yellowknife in the Northwest Territories of Canada. And I am lucky enough to be partnering with him on one. And I would love it if you would come on this adventure with us. This September, I am inviting you to join me with Jose Francisco Salgado in Yellowknife for 5 nights of aurora viewing and photography, along with days filled with sightseeing and other fun activities like a visit to a Dene First Nation community and some hiking, some more photography and learning, and probably some good food too. More details in a minute. Many of you have asked me over the years to do a workshop or a tour of some sort. So why this one? Why now? Well, if you've been watching my channel for any length of time, you can probably tell that I don't do things halfway. I'm a perfectionist and I want an adventure. I don't work with people or companies that I don't believe in. If I'm going to work with someone, they need to be special. Let's start there. Jose Francisco is literally world-renowned for his unique combination of astrophotography, videography, and photography. He is an artist. And did I mention a doctor? Yes, Dr. Salgado. And you know what? He's nice, like really nice, and giving with information. His site shares all sorts of specific gear recommendations. He will be helping us set our cameras on this tour. He wants to help you set yourself up for success. So, of course, I would want to work with him. But now for the where. Why this tour in Yellowknife? Well, it's where you see the Aurora Borealis. Yellowknife is near the Arctic Circle in the Northwest Territories in Canada, and the night sky is often illuminated by those magical lights. I've never seen them, and I've only recently gotten interested in night sky photography. And this is kind of the ultimate, don't you think? Also, adventure. It's a faraway place. It's a very cold environment. We will be out late each night, spending time with the night sky and our cameras and each other. We'll all be learning and creating together. All of that adds up to something that I've never done before, and an epic adventure. Collaborating with someone that I respect. And I get to meet some of you. I fully expect that this will be a life-changing experience. Okay, a few more details before I tell you how to sign up. The tour is September 22nd through the 27th of this year, 2019. We go out every night for photography. Many of the meals during our time there are included in the tour cost, along with several daytime activities. But there will be free time too, so that we can all make sure that we see what we want to see while we're there. There is a lot more information, like cost, on this tour on Jose Francisco's site. I have linked to it down below. Space is limited on this trip. It will be a very small tour group, so think fast. If you're interested, follow that link and get signed up now. If you have questions though, don't hesitate to ask. I'll be definitely keeping a close eye on the comments on this video, so feel free to ask your questions there. But like I said, I want to be clear that expect spaces to fill up quickly. And that's it for today, everyone. I hope to see you in Yellowknife.